Welcome back to your channel name, where we dive into the latest trends and unveil the most exciting cars shaping the future of the automotive world. Today, we're talking about the all-new 2025 Renault Captur, a car that perfectly blends style, innovation, and sustainability. If you're looking for a compact SUV that stands out in the crowded market, stay tuned because this might just be the car for you. Design. The 2025 Renault Captur has undergone a significant redesign, offering a bold and modern look. At first glance, you'll notice its sleeker silhouette, with sharper LED headlights and a refreshed grille that highlights Renault's latest design language. The bodywork is more aerodynamic, featuring sculpted lines and a floating roof effect that adds a dynamic edge. In the rear, redesigned taillights now feature 3D LED technology, creating a futuristic vibe. And let's not forget the larger alloy wheel options, ranging from 17 to 19 inches, that give the Captur a more commanding presence on the road. Renault also offers a wider range of customization options, with up to 90 possible color combinations, allowing you to personalize your Captur to match your unique style. Step inside, and the cabin takes things to the next level. The 2025 Captur is more spacious than ever, thanks to clever interior packaging. Rear passengers now enjoy improved legroom, while the boot space has increased to a generous 536 liters, making it perfect for family trips or weekend getaways. The dashboard is dominated by a high-resolution, 10.2-inch digital driver display and a vertical 9.3-inch touchscreen with Renault's latest EasyLink infotainment system. This system now supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as over-the-air updates to keep your tech up to date. Soft touch materials, ambient lighting, and ergonomic seats enhance the premium feel, while sustainable materials used throughout the cabin align with Renault's commitment to eco-friendly manufacturing. Under the hood, the 2025 Renault Captur offers a range of powertrains to cater to different needs. The entry-level models are equipped with efficient petrol engines, but the real highlights are the hybrid and plug-in hybrid options. The E-Tech Hybrid combines a 1.6-liter petrol engine with an electric motor, delivering excellent fuel efficiency without compromising on performance. For those looking to go greener, the plug-in hybrid variant offers an impressive electric-only range of up to 60 kilometers, around 37 miles, ideal for daily commutes. Both powertrains feature seamless transitions between petrol and electric modes, ensuring a smooth and refined driving experience. Driving experience. Renault has fine-tuned the Captur's suspension and steering for 2025, providing a more composed ride and sharper handling. Advanced driver assistance systems (ADAS) now include features like adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go functionality, lane centering, and a 360-degree camera for easier parking. Safety is further enhanced with upgraded autonomous emergency braking, pedestrian detection, and blind spot monitoring. Sustainability. Renault is pushing the boundaries of sustainability with the 2025 Captur. Many of the materials used in the interior, such as the seat fabrics and plastics, are made from recycled materials. Additionally, Renault's factories are working toward achieving carbon neutrality, making the Captur a more environmentally responsible choice. Price and availability. The 2025 Renault Captur is expected to hit showrooms in mid-2024, with a starting price of around €23,000 for the base model, while the top-tier plug-in hybrid version could go up to €35,000, depending on the market. With its competitive pricing, advanced technology, and impressive versatility, the Captur is poised to remain a strong contender in the compact SUV segment. So, there you have it, the 2025 Renault Captur, a compact SUV that's as stylish as it is smart. Whether you're looking for a family car, an eco-friendly commuter, or a tech-packed ride, the new Captur ticks all the boxes. What do you think of Renault's latest offering? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.